This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Autostart on the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To enable or disable Autostart on the browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, I am on the General tab. And the first thing here, Startup. The second thing down in the Startup section, Open Floorp automatically when your computer starts up. If this box is checked, Floorp will automatically start when your computer does. If it is not checked, then Floorp will not automatically start when your computer does. That is how to enable or disable Autostart on the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.